and welcome to Cooking with Sarah. Today I want to share with you an easy roast crock pot recipe. It only has 8 ingredients. First, let's start with the seasoning. It's 3 tablespoons of ranch dressing, 1 packet of au jus gravy, and a half a stick of butter. Then get a 2 to 3 pound roast, 1 package of small potatoes, 1 small bag of carrots, 2 onions, and 8 stalks of celery. The first thing you want to put in is your roast. So that's a 2 or 3 pound roast. Then you're going to put in your seasoning. And just sprinkle it around. There's no mixing, just dump it in. And then our 3 tablespoons of ranch dressing. A half a stick of butter. Okay, and then next you want to add your vegetables that are going to cook the longest. So that's going to be your potato and your carrots. So these carrots are kind of big, so I'm going to put them on the bottom and then add my potatoes. And then the celery, and last, I'll top it off with the onions. And now this is going to cook on low for 6 to 8 hours. When I cook it, I start it at least by 10 a.m. and it's ready by 5 p.m. So if you need to cook it a little faster, you can put it on medium or high for about 4 hours. But I recommend just a slow cook as possible. All right, let's get started. I'm going to put the lid on and switch it on to low and let it cook for 6 to 8 hours. Okay, now it's been 7 hours. You know it's ready when you can start to smell the crock pot and smell the meat and the vegetables cooking. So let's take a look and double check. Okay. Look at that, there's a nice good sauce in there. The potatoes are soft. Yep, and the meat is coming right apart. Okay. I hope you enjoy your roast. Thanks for watching Cooking with Sarah. Please like and subscribe.